The question says simplify expression. So we have x is to the power minus 2, y is to the power 3, divides 2 is to the power x is to the power 4, y is to the power minus 1. Everything in the bracket is to the power minus 2 times. The square root of 16, x is to the power 12, y is to the power minus 4. How do we simplify this? Solution. Okay, so for x squared, x is to the power minus 2, y is to the power 3, divide 2x is to the power 4, y is to the power minus 1. Everything is to the power minus 2, okay, times the square root of 16x is to the power 12, y is to the power minus 4. So how do we solve this? So this is a rational expression. So let us simplify what we have within the parentheses, within the bracket. So for x minus 2, we have x minus 2, okay, as 1 over x squared, which is this. We have y minus 1, okay, as 1 over y, okay. So here we can write this as y over 3, y is to the power 3, okay, divide, so for x is to the power minus 2, which is this. So we have it as times 1 over x is to the power 2, okay. So here we have 2, so which is times 2, x is to the power 4, okay. We have it this way. And for y is to the power minus 1, by 1, we have it to be 1 over y, okay, which is as saying when you are dividing 1 over y, okay, so we can bring this here, so we can write this as y is to the power 3, okay, times this, which is still this. This is the division line, divide. So for y, which is as saying y is to the power minus 1, okay, so we have this to be x squared times 2x is to the power 4, okay. So this, we have this as y is to the power 3 minus, dividing the same base, minus, here we have this to be minus 1, okay. Here we have this to be 2 into x, law of indices, multiplying the same base, we add the power, so we have 2 plus 4, okay. Okay, so from here now, we have this to be for y, for 3 plus 1, divides, here we have this to be 2, here we have this to be x is to the power 6. So do not forget, we have all these within the bracket. We have minus 2 as the external power, okay. So we can write this as y raised to the power 4, when we add it up, divides 2 raised to the power x, 2 times x raised to the power 6, so everything is to the power minus 2, okay. So we have simplified this side of the expression. So let us come to this side of the expression. We have this to be square root of, okay. So we split this as square root is 4, okay. So the square root of x squared, okay. So here we have this to be x is to the power 12, okay, times 1 over 2, which is this radical. So when we simplify this, we have this to be x raised to the power 6, okay. Why this? We have this to be the square root of y is to the power minus 4. So we write this as y is to the power minus 4 times 1 over 2. So when we simplify this, okay, so we have this to be y is to the power minus 2. Okay, so let us combine our answer. So for the square root of 16, so here we have times, okay. For square root of 16, I have it to be 4 times, for x is to the power 12, which is this, I have it to be x is to the power 6, okay. And for y is to the power minus 4, square root of y is to the power minus 4 is y is to the power minus 2, okay. So equals, so here we have this as y is to the power 4, okay. Sorry, y is to the power 4. We have this as y is to the power 4 divides, here we have 2x is to the power 6, okay, everything is to the power minus 2, okay, times, here we have this to be 4x is to the power 6, y is to the power minus 2. So how do we simplify this further? So since we have minus 2, okay, as a power, so it's affecting both the numerator and denominator. So how do we go about this? So eliminate this. It means we have to introduce 1, and by so doing that, this we have to come here. So here we have this as, okay, as a result of this bar, so we have this to be 2x, okay, is to the power 6 divides y is to the power 4, okay, squared, okay, times 4x is to the power 6, y is to the power minus 2. So this is affecting this. So here we have it, this to be 2 square, x is to the power 6 times 2, okay, divides, here we have y is to the power 4 times 2, which is this, times 4 x is to the power 6, y is to the power minus 2. So for 2 square, we have this to be 4x. 6 times 2 is 12, divides y is to the power 8, okay, times 4 is to the power 8, 4 times x to the power 6, y is to the power minus 2. So for 4 times 4 is 16, okay, so we have x is to the power 12, okay, plus 6, is that okay, y is to the power minus 2 divides y is to the power 8. So from here we have 16x is to the power 18, okay, so let us write it properly. So we have 16x is to the power 18 when we add this together, okay. So if you have to compare this with this using division, we have this to be y minus 2 minus, okay, 8. 16x is to the power 18, okay, y is to the power minus 10, okay, so we can have this as 16, x is to the power 18, divide y is to the power 10 as a result of this bar, okay. So this is the result when we simplify this expression. Thank you very much.